Welcome to Meditation Pilates session for back. Watch this short video first, please. I will teach you the exercises and then I will tell you the secret how to get the best experience for your tired mind too. The first exercise is called rolling like a ball, for obvious reasons. In this position, roll onto your shoulder blades, but not further than that, please. You don't want to go onto your neck. Use your core and momentum to come back to starting position. Then again, roll back to your shoulder blades. This should feel very nice on your back muscles. It's actually a massage, not just ridiculously looking exercise. Hope you will like it. The next one is called spinal rotation. Lay on your side with the head resting on your hand. Then extend one arm in front of you. As you inhale, rotate, then exhale. Inhale in your ribs and exhale on the way forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. If you're confused by this inhaling and exhaling, just focus on the spinal rotation. Head always follows the rest of the spine and you're trying to keep your hip bones turned forward. Once you're done with a certain number of repetitions, you will slowly turn around to the other side. So let's recap. Inhale as you're rotating. Exhale going further. Inhale into your ribs. Exhale forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale into your ribs. And exhale forward. Head always follows the spine movement. The next one is called double leg stretch. From this position, you will simultaneously extend your arms in line with your ears and legs towards the ground as far as you can without losing the tension in your core and feeling too much pressure in your lower back, which means when you feel that your lower back is arching, you put your legs a bit higher than that. You are exhaling as extending legs and arms, inhaling on the way in. Very important, your spine is not moving, so legs and arms, but head, neck, and rest of the spine are stable and you will feel some abdominal pressure. The next one is called breaststroke, hopefully also for obvious reasons. You will be laying on your chest and belly with legs extended and arms extended in line with your ears. Head is in line with your spine, shoulder blades stabilized. As you inhale, you will extend your spine as much as you can, push your pubic bone into the ground. On the way back, bend your elbows next to your body to reach the neutral position of your spine. Again, very important to notice, there is no extensive movement in your neck. Head is just extension of your spine. The last one is called cat stretch, for obvious reasons. Find the neutral position of your spine. Inhale to the sides, front and back, and with exhale, slowly, vertebra per vertebra, round your spine until you look like a cat in a stretch. Inhale in that position, and with exhale, slowly, vertebra per vertebra, go back to neutral position. Again, if you're confused by inhales and exhales, just focus on the movement and rounding your spine as slow as you can, piece by piece. This exercise is very good to stretch your upper back, where we often feel tension due to stresses in our lives. Workout description you can find below. Now we have to focus on three most important things. First one is the music playlist. It has to suit your brain. It has to either make you feel powerful but also calm you down, or just calm you down. I sometimes use meditation music for my workouts because that's what my brain needs. Second thing, you must focus on counting the repetitions. Third thing, you will keep your eyes closed the entire time, which will force you to focus even more where your body is in the space, and all that combined will leave too little chance for the rest of your worries to come in. So there is a chance you give yourself a mental break as well.